District Court Judge Thalassa Atosaanga has issued a stern warning on the 6 defendants in the high-profile case in its first week hearing to refrain from commenting on the case on social media. The judge issued the warning after one of the defendants, Li'ofatau Malama Au'ava, posted a live commentary on Tuesday night and updated the case now in progress at the District Court. Prosecutor Tai Malilangile Nafo Strickland informed the court about the video at the start of the Wednesday's proceedings. Counsel for Li'o, Mapusua Tanya Toailoa, said it was a serious concern and she had already advised Li'o about it. She also informed the court that there was no intention on Li'o's part to undermine the court. Defense counsel Richard Merchant also agreed on the seriousness of Li'o's actions and suggested the same warning applies to any future recordings. Judge Thalassa said the media is tasked to report on the case. She emphasized that the defendants are remanded at liberty on conditions, and one of the conditions is to refrain from talking about the case on social media, and did not expect the defendant to comment on social media, which is breach of bail conditions. She also noted that this is a high-profile case, and the court's full attention is on this case, and any diversion is not needed. The case is just into the first week of a 5-week trial, and the Commissioner of Police just ended giving evidence on Wednesday, with the second of the police 76 witnesses taking the stand today.